Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create Facebook group. So first of all, open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser and log in Facebook. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the left corner, click on to group option, create new group, set up your group name, choose privacy if you want to private or public, click on to create. Okay, now successfully create Facebook group. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.